Howdy folks, and welcome back to episode 2 of the TT Trail series. Today we're going to be riding on 2N93B. There's a small little campground at the end of this trail if I remember correctly, and we're just going to go and explore that. Okay everyone, so I just want to start this video today by giving a huge shout out to Brad Deberti, BFGoodrich Tires, and the Ultra Wheel Company. These guys are all awesome. They really know how to make a redneck happier than a tornado in a trailer park. So go check all of them out. Check out Brad Deberti and his TV show Twin Turbos on the Discovery Channel. Now, one of the main things that I would like to talk about for this video is I want a giveaway.
Alright, we're back with some cash. Hooking someone up with 4 different things. First thing is, we got $750 Movo Cash. It's the digital app. It's really easy. Download it. It's like instant money. You can use it on whatever you want. Rules are super easy. Go to my Instagram, at Brad Deberti, click who I'm following, which is just a few people. Follow the people I do, comment boost, and tag 2 buddies. We teamed up with this company, Scotch. They make Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers, all kinds of different stuff. How you get this is, it's $1,500 in products, and the people I'm choosing is the people that put in the most work on this post. That means comment the most, tag the most people, show the most love. Second thing is we have ultra street wheels that we're gonna hook someone up with, along with a set of complete BFG tires up to $1,500 worth. Enter on this. This is a deal of a lifetime. I can't wait.
Now, I thought that this was just awesome. Just the fact that he does giveaways like this, and I just so happened to stumble across it on his biggest giveaway yet. I've talked with him a little bit personally since he announced me as one of the winners, and he's a super awesome guy, super nice, and I'm hoping when he contacts me about going to collect those items, I will get to meet him personally. That would just be awesome, just to shake this guy's hand and thank him personally, because I don't even know what to say about what he's done for me. It's just awesome, guys. Check him out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Brad Deberti, and check out his TV show as well. Links to that will all be in the description. And as we move forward with that, we will be covering that. Like I said, if I get to hopefully meet him, then we will be heading down there and covering all of that. But I'm just super happy that completely made my day today, waking up and seeing that. He's got a lot of awesome content too. Check out his videos on YouTube, check out his Instagram. But here we are on this trail here. I've never been on this one before. I've been on the main 2N93, but not 2N93B. It's pretty rocky out here. Definitely glad that I got some good tires to handle this. It's nice out here. I like the views. This looks like it used to be a little creek of some kind. Very nice, very, very nice. Looks like we might have reached the end of it. I guess so. This is nice out here, though. This is a cool little trail. But yeah, the main thing I just wanted to talk about was that giveaway. I wanted to give a huge shout out to Brad Deberti, BFGoodrich Tires, and Ultra Wheels. Links to them all in the description. Be sure to check them out. Thank you guys for watching episode 2 of the TT Trail series. This is a fairly short trail. I just wanted to come out here and see what it looked like. But we will see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching.